Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to show only sound page on system settings in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Before configure show only sound page, I am going to show the settings. Right click on start menu, click on settings. Look here, all options are showing here, and in systems you also find all the options. And now I am going to show you how to show only this sound page in system settings. Close settings, insert, type GP edit, click on edit group policy. Under computer configuration, click on administrative template and expand it. Now click on control panel. Here you will find a settings page visibility, and now it's not configured. Just right click on setting and click on edit. Now click on enable, and under settings page visibility option, type show only. Clone sound. Now click on apply and then click on OK. To make your setting change effective immediately, you need to update the group policy. To update the group policy, right click on start menu, click on run. In run, type gp update / force. Now click on OK. Updating policy. Computer policy update has completed successfully. Now I'm going to check. Right click on start menu and click on settings, and here look, only system and sound page are showing in settings, and all other options are hidden right now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.